The day starts before you even open your eyes. Your AI already knows how you slept, what you need, and what lies ahead. Weather, meetings, reminders, quietly prepared for you. In the mirror, it's more than a reflection. It's guidance. What to wear, how you look, what your day demands. Decisions made easier, not louder. Even breakfast is personalized. Not just what you want to eat, but what your body actually needs. Work doesn't feel the same anymore. You don't start from scratch. Ideas, drafts, code, AI becomes your collaborator, not your replacement. On the move, time isn't wasted. Your world stays connected. Messages answered, news summarized, routes optimized. Your body is no longer a mystery. Every step, every heartbeat, tracked, understood, improved.
At home, everything adapts to you. Lighting, music, entertainment. Not controlled, but anticipated.